Welcome back, friends, from the Hiawatha Forest in the Upper Peninsula, Michigan.
I finally saw a wild animal.
What'd you see?
A squirrel.
Oh, goodness. Did Jake lose his mind?
No, he didn't see it.
Oh.
I just saw I heard like a and I went, and then I saw this little fluffy thing and I'm like, so I continued watching and then I run.
Rose said I farted on her pillow today because she's got a red eye, but it's not for me, I promise. It's from Dr. Bronner's cast iron soap. Do not use those in hand pumps for your sink because it clogs and then ends up shooting a crazy squirt. How many times have we got it on our clothes?
Well, you have one here, one here, one here.
She's got one
here, here,
in her eye. We love the soap. It doesn't work right in the hand pump.
By the way, let's go. What are we doing?
Yeah, we're gonna go back up to Pictured Rocks today.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Before it rains.
Yep, it's been wet and wild, so let's go.
Come on.
Come here, Jake. Boy. There you go. Got it.
While we would have loved to spend more time in our remote slice of paradise, we were desperately seeking better weather and a little bit of sunshine.
So we pack up our loose items and started back toward Pictured Rocks Lakeshore. The UP makes up 29% of Michigan's total land mass, but accounts for only 3% of the population.
The landscape, while beautiful, is largely untamed, raw, and unforgiving.
Some stretches of highway seem to go forever.
As soon as we thought we were getting out of the rain for good, the sky surprised us by opening up again.
Roughly 15 miles east of Munising is the trailhead for the hikes around and to Chapel Rock.
Friends, we made it to Pictured Rocks, and of course, typical Chase and me, it's raining. So we're going on this nice hike or walk. Well, it's storming around us, and it's not gonna stop until 9 or 6, until 6, I think. But today's our last day here in Michigan, so we might as well do some things. Let's enjoy this wet hike. Well, that was a very nice 2-minute walk to find out the dogs are not allowed on the trail, and any of them. So they went use the bathroom, and we're gonna leave them in the van while we do a short hike. That way they're not by themselves for too long. We're gonna leave the heater on for them and some vents. That way they have some air circulation and they can sleep very cozy. Bye, dogs. Cool.
From the parking area, you've got a 3.2-mile hike to Chapel Rock, and a shorter distance to Section Creek, which feeds the 80-foot Chapel Falls.
If you guys remember our hike up Superstition Mountain in Apache Junction, Arizona, you would remember that we didn't have the proper footwear. I'm glad to check in and let you all know that now we've got the proper footwear. We've realized at this point that somehow throughout all of our time together, we have avoided the need for a rain jacket, which is funny enough because everywhere we go it rains.
This hike right here kind of reminds me of our hike in Puerto Rico.
Oh, up at
El Yunque.
yeah, in El Yunque. Yeah, as soon as we took off, it was raining.
It's a rainforest.
Yeah.
And it felt like this, like the air feels very nice.
Yeah.
And it's just like refreshing. I'm not cold right now, are you?
No, I'm
I'm
not.
just wet.
Yeah, I'm wet.
But
Is there a benefit to the rain? It definitely made the falls more powerful.
friends, I know I just said that it was kind of annoying it was raining. I don't know if I said it, but I thought about it and I'm kind of happy it rained.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's super nice. It has made the experience so much better.
Yeah.
I feel like in a 4D movie.
Yeah, the rain. Okay, where are we heading now?
I think over there, Boo Boo.
Oh, we just came from right there.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at me.
Wow.
Oh boy. All
Yeah,
right.
I guess not lost because you would have to go back to. You were like, oh, that was weird.
Yeah, wow, we're back at the van. What's up with this?
This hike on most days would be fairly simple. It has wide paths and limited ascents either by rocks or stairs, but the rain made it a trek through several inches of mud, the entire way to the shore and the entire way back.
What's the place? Oh, that was cheating.
Wow, I did it.
Good job.
And the view of Lake Superior when we finally met it did not disappoint.
Hey, babe.
Chapel Rock is a sandstone formation perched above Lake Superior that was carved by high waters nearly 3,800 years ago.
A lone white pine tree sits at the top with roots that connect across open air to the cliffside.
A natural arch once supported the root system, but it collapsed sometime in the 1940s.
The name Pictured Rocks comes from streaks of mineral stains that decorate the face of the weather sculpted sandstones.
Snack time.
We believe you could spend weeks here and still not be able to take in a portion of the beauty this land has to offer.
And on our way out, we met a furry friend that had found something to chew on in the brush.
It looks like I took a shower, but I didn't. In the rain. We made it back to the van. Boy, and changed to some comfy clothes, and now we're ready to head to some phone signal and find a place where we can buy soup, maybe?
Ooh, soup. That's the plan.
It's a soup weather day, for sure. Let's go.
Knowing the weather was not on our side, we decided to head further south, soak up a few more days with family before finally deciding where we should go next.
Michigan surprised us in the best of the ways, and we both have a newfound respect for just how beautiful this place truly is.
So what, Life? What you got me? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This girl right here, happy right now. We stopped in this place called...
Gladstone.
No, the China Lila?
China Lily.
China Lily. We stopped at this place called China Lily. And look at these. Oh my god. We deserve it after that hike.
I think so.
Oh my god. Buen provecho.
So well, we ate.
Oh my god.
And we're full.
Too full. But now we're trying to figure it out where we're gonna spend the night. There's a Walmart.
Here in Escanaba.
Yeah, I don't know how far
It's
it is.
very close, I think. And then there's one in Menominee. And I'm thinking Menominee because that's right at the border. So we would be really close to heading back into Wisconsin from there.
12 minutes from here. The closest one.
One's 12, one's an hour. I'm thinking an hour. Shave an hour off the time tomorrow.
Let's sleep at Walmart.
Come on. Walmart mooch docking.
Woo! Friends, after an no as good night here at Walmart.
You know, we understand that Walmart boondocking and rest area stops are going to be a little noisier, and we're so thankful that we have these places to stop at.
But it's our first night in a Walmart parking lot where we can see why people don't enjoy it as much.
Yeah.
Normally it's like super quiet.
Yeah.
This one was like car racing and party outside and people fighting and breaking up with each other.
No kidding, literally all of those. I think I heard the same 2 or 3 cars and trucks revving and racing down the aisles here.
So well, I think we should go somewhere else. Where do you think we should go?
I don't know about you, but I am over the damp and the cold, so I think we need to go somewhere warm.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
In Madison, we celebrated one last time with family, a family member's birthday, and prepared to say, see you later.
Look at the snow. We're about to leave. It's snowing, and that's not cool. Oh my! It literally just came up out of nowhere. But we got to introduce you to a new puppy member, not of our family, but of our family.
We got a new dog.
Well, I told them it's not ours, but it's ours.
Kiwi, don't go crazy.
She's a maniac!
It's her first time with snow. Well, Larry,
Well, I'm not ready for snow. Are you ready for snow? No. Not at all.
Clearly I'm not. I dress up like it was nice out. I'm still in my sandals.
Maniac! 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 Who's a maniac?
When she's not going crazy.
Hi, little girl.
She's so cute. She's very smart. It's time to say bye to everybody and head somewhere warmer for sure.
It was the snow. It was the snow that did it.
Feliz viaje. Mis oraciones.
You ready?
Yep.
Ciao.
Bye. Love you guys.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you too.
Be careful. Take care.
You too. Bye. I'm ready for the sun.
You think we just want to like stay in the snow for a little longer?
Not really.
Okay. Oh.
You had to finish somehow, huh?
There we go.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you guys.
Love you too.
All right.
Yo, Pablo, what are you doing there?
What are you doing?
Come on, buddy.
What are you doing up there?
Oh my god, he's a maniac.
Who's this little mountain climber?
No, he's a cat.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, little kitty. Come on, Paco.
A filmarlo de ida.
Filmalo así.
All right. Love you.
Chao, te amamos.
Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Bye, Kiwi, we love you. She's so cute. Ready?
Oh my goodness, snow.
Are you cold?
It looks a little cold.
She's shaking.
I am so shocked at how little fuel that diesel heater uses.
I know.
Literally, we parked several days ago and we've ran that non-stop and we are still on the same line
That's
of
crazy.
fuel. That blows my mind.
For now, we can only hope to find sunshine and dry weather.
And we'll see you next week.